Let's be honest, you might have great skin, dress well, and keep your hair looking clean. But if you smell bad, all of that disappears in seconds. One bad smell can instantly ruin a good first impression. The worst part? Most people won't tell you. They won't say, "You smell bad." They'll just avoid getting too close to you. So today I'm going to show you how to smell fresh all day, without expensive perfumes or fancy products. We'll cover everything, from your room and your breath to your body, hair, and clothes. Let's start with something most people ignore: your room. You can shower every day and wear deodorant, but if your room smells bad, that smell sticks to you. Dirty bed sheets, old pillowcases, and leftover food odors can all transfer to your clothes and body. Keep it simple. Wash your bed sheets at least twice a week, keep your pillowcase clean, and avoid eating meals in your room whenever possible. A clean room makes it much easier to smell fresh. Next is your breath. Bad breath is one of the fastest attraction killers. Even if you're confident and good at talking, bad breath changes how people experience you. Brush your teeth twice a day, but don't stop there. The white coating on your tongue is often the real cause of bad breath, so clean your tongue every morning. Floss daily to remove food stuck between your teeth.
When you floss, the thread of the flosser removes food particles in between your teeth. But if you don't floss, these food particles will accumulate and build up over time.
And if you want an extra step, use an alcohol-free mouthwash. Now let's talk about showering. Most people shower every day, but not everyone showers properly. Use a body wash and a loofah or silicone scrubber. Focus on areas where bacteria build up the most: your armpits, feet, behind your ears, and other skin folds. After your shower, dry your body completely. Moisture allows bacteria to grow, and bacteria create odor. A cool shower can also help you feel fresher for longer. Now, your hair. Have you ever hugged someone and noticed how good their hair smelled? That's because hair holds scent for a long time. You don't need to shampoo every day. If you have very straight hair, every 1 day is usually enough. And you have waves or curly, every 2 days is usually enough. A gentle sulfate-free shampoo and a light conditioner work well. If you like, you can rub a couple of drops of coconut oil between your hands and lightly smooth it over your hair for a clean, natural scent. But don't overdo it. Heavy coconut smell feels cheap. Finally, deodorant and perfume. Deodorant helps control body odor, so apply it to clean, dry skin after your shower. With perfume, more isn't better. You want people to notice it only when they're close. A few sprays on your neck, behind your ears, and your wrists are enough. One good fragrance is far better than several cheap ones. When you smell good, your confidence changes without you even realizing it. You carry yourself differently. Smelling good is invisible confidence. It's not just about impressing other people, it's about respecting yourself. Turn these habits into your daily routine, and you'll notice the difference.